Letter number 14. Ssad. Pronounced sa, not sa, like a thick S. It doesn't have a counterpart in the English alphabet, and you can't write the way it's pronounced with English letters. So try to make this sound sa, not sa. Looks also like a monster, like a scene, like a monster, or like a giant snake. Unless you have a different opinion, tell us in the comments. It has the body of scene, yet with a head instead of teeth. A head, a loop, call it what you like. So how about we form a word? Ssad, which means he caught or hunted. Yup, the same name of the letter is actually a verb. It's a past tense verb that means someone went hunting or fishing and caught a prey. That someone or creature is a male. If it was a female, we would say sa'adat. Here we used letters from the ones you learned, alif and dal, and for the female, ta, alif and dal, and the smiley face, the ta. Okay, how about another word? Soos, which means a chick, like a baby chicken. Here we have two sads. One, two. There's another word that's spelled the same, but that one is slang. Sauce. Remember, not sauce, sauce, which means sauce, like a pizza sauce. This one also has two sauce. Now the Fusha word for sauce is salsa. Salsa. Also has two sads. Okay. So, congratulations. You're halfway through. You learned 14 letters out of 28. Keep practicing what you learn. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.